Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That'll really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 158. If we start with this box, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. For this column now, we're missing a 7. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got a 3 here and a 7 here, so this is our 1. That 3 makes this our 7, 3. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 9. For this row now, we're missing a 3. For this box, we're missing 2 and 5. And I don't see any help. So 2, 5, 2, 5. For this box, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 1. For this box, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. For this column now, we're missing 1, 2, and 4. We've got 1 and 4 here, so this is our 2. 1 here, so 4, 1. For this row, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5, and that 5 makes this our 2. For this row now, we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got 5 and 9 here, so this is our 7. That 5 makes this our 9, 5. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 9. I don't see any help. So 3, 9, 3, 9. For this box, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. For this column now, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. For this column, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got 5 and 6 here, so this is our 7. 5 here, so 6, 5. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got 2 and 3 here, so this is our 9. 2 here, so 3, 2. For this row now, we're missing a 9. For this bottom row, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 7. And that 3 makes this our 9 and 3. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.